Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video you will know, is Coinbase insured? Here's the truth. Many people think all funds on Coinbase are protected by FDIC insurance, but that's not entirely true. If you hold US dollars in eligible custodial accounts, those cash balances may qualify for pass through FDIC insurance through Coinbase's partner banks, subject to applicable limits. However, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are not covered by FDIC insurance. While Coinbase uses strong security measures to protect customer assets, crypto investments can still lose value and they're not insured against market losses. That's it. FDIC insurance may protect eligible cash balances, but it does not insure your cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Coinbase tutorials. Thanks for watching.